Okay. So let's start of our live training. So welcome everyone. So I saw there's a little bit delay because I forgot to charge my iPad. Okay, so it took me like around 5 minutes to recharge it. So in case it suddenly cut off, it will be because of my iPad. Okay, so let me know if there's any issues. Okay, so leave me in the comment section that whether my audio is clear or my face is clear or any issues that you are seeing right now. Okay, so we're gonna wait for a few minutes for some people to hop on. Okay, so let's do some chit chat. Okay, so let me know who's here is the first time here or the second time here or the third time here. Okay, this should be the third live I have done. Okay, so if you are my fans, okay, you have joined me for 3 live. I'm so happy that because you have learned a lot of stuff. Okay, so let me know. This is first time time number 1. This is second time time number 2. This is third time time number 3. Okay. Okay. Pena Georgia is here. Okay, John is here. Chess is also here. Okay, good. I see some familiar name. Third live. This is first time. Okay. So I want to know. Have you guys really watched my first and second live? I want you guys to really go watch it. If you don't know where to watch it, basically just go to the group and then click the video session on the left hand side. If you are on the computer, then you're gonna see there should be a 3 or 4 video over there. You're gonna see my face over there. Okay. So those two live that I've done, each of them is at least 1 hour long. Okay, you get a lot of value just by watching them. Okay, if you forgot what I thought about in the live, just go watch the replay. Okay, I don't know whether I will remove it or not, but I will try to keep it there. Okay, so I'm very happy with that. Okay, this time we have 30 people here. Good. If the number is increasing. Okay, I remember the first time I do live, there maybe just 20 people. Okay, it seems like more and more people see the value of my live, right? Okay, so today's we have some practical topic as well, because I'm going to tell you exactly what application or software I use to try to scale my business so that you won't have get into any issues. And majority of them, they are free to use. Okay, I highly recommend you guys to use what I've been using so you can save a lot of time just picking which software is the best. Okay, always learn from someone who are successful. Okay, and then innovate based on what they have been doing. Okay, not just start from scratch. If you start from scratch, you are doing a really hard job. No one can help you because you do it from scratch. That's why I always learn from someone that have experience and use exactly what they've been doing. Okay, then you're gonna save you a lot of time, and then based on the progress, you slowly add on your style. Then you're gonna start, right? So I wanna know. Okay, where are you guys from? Because I know this is like 6 p.m. right now in Hong Kong. I'm in Hong Kong, and also with my fiance here. So Cherry is also here. Okay, so we always stick together so that we can do live, and she will look at the chat box if I have any issues, right? I know maybe there's some people is from Malaysia, from Singapore, which is also 6 p.m. I know some maybe from India. India, I think it's like 3 hour slower than us, which is around, I think, 4 something or 3 something, right? It was 11 a.m. Okay, Jen is 11 a.m. Okay, so I know a lot of people keep asking me, because if in the USA time zone, here will be just around 6 a.m. or even 3 a.m. Depends on where you guys are, right? That's why I used to do live in around 9 p.m., which is in my entrepreneur club and also in my YNC Academy YouTube live, which is Thursday and Friday. But today, Wednesday, because I always want to make it a little bit earlier so I can enjoy my time with the family, so I can have dinner together, right? That's why I will try to keep this one at 6 p.m. But you guys, if you enjoy joining on live, if not, try to watch the replay. All right. So, gonna get started. Okay. So, gonna share my screen. So before I start, okay, I always do a breathing exercise. Okay, just stick with me. Okay, we're gonna do some simple exercise that keep yourself ready for the training. Okay, so we call diaphragmatic breathing exercise. Okay, we just do 3 deep breaths physically. Okay, so free your both hand. Okay, one hand on your chest, another hand on your stomach. Okay, when you do the deep breath, okay, only expand your stomach, not your chest. Only expand your stomach, not your chest. Okay, let's do it together. Okay, you can close your eyes if you want. Okay, so breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Okay, so type yes in the chat box if you only expand your stomach, which is using your diaphragm. Okay, so this exercise is really powerful because it really help you to massage your internal organ at the same time because you are focusing on your breathing and you are also controlling your diaphragm, which means you're living at the present moment. Okay, I'm a guy always practice meditation. I also have another YouTube channel which is only I talk about mindset and spiritual study. So if you're interested in meditation, you have to go watch my YouTube channel. Okay, I do live every Friday night, also 9 a.m. EST. Okay, so because without a proper mindset, even you have the best strategy, the best team, you can never be successful. Because all the successful people, they always practice meditation and using their inner power. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys 10 or 20 seconds. Take out your notebooks. Okay, take out your notebooks and a pen. Okay, take out notebooks and a pen. It's really important. Today you're gonna write down the application you're gonna use. Because if you watch the replay, I'm so sure that most of you don't watch the replay. That's why jot down the notes. Just this 1 hour, you're gonna make it for your whole life. It will be useful. All right. Okay. So type ready in the chat box. If you're okay, then I'm gonna share my screen. Okay. So welcome to today's live training. Today is July 8th. Okay. So there should be no time zone difference because this is live. This is live. It's not a replay. It's exactly the live of what I'm doing right now. That's why later on I will give you guys some time to ask me anything. Then I'm gonna reply you during the ask me anything session. Okay. So for today's topic, it's very important because I tell you exactly the application and software I use for e-commerce. Just in the next coming 30 minutes, I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm using. I will even open their website so you know exactly what are those software. All right. And then most of them are free. Okay, there will be premium version. You want to pay it, you can pay for it. But most of them is free, and they are very low cost. Because when us start a business online, we always try to look for the software that's cheap enough, but with enough value, right? And then you're gonna you can ask me anything, and then we will pick the free consultation winner announcement, which is every week I will pick a winner who join my live or do a really good contribution to the group. I will do a free 1 hour or 30 minutes, depends on the time, to you guys to help you to map up your plan for Q4 of your e-commerce store. Okay. So for the application and software, I didn't make a list on the PowerPoint. I'm gonna go check exactly on my Chrome, on my browser, and show you what software I used. Okay. So I know some of you should have seen my post that I make a list of software, right? I don't know whether you guys have used it or you just save it there and you're gonna wait for another time to use it, right? So that's why today I'm gonna show you which of them you must use it right now. All right. So again, whenever you learn something new or whenever you get excited, just type 777 in the chat box. Okay, so I know you're there, and keep the chat box really active. Give me a lot of emoji, give me heart, give me like, okay? Because when you do that, you boost the Facebook algorithm so you can reach more people in the group. So more people can join the group so they can get the value at the same time. All right. So today the first application I'm gonna show you guys must use it. Okay, is Canva. Okay, it's Canva. Okay, canva.com. Okay, you may ask, I know some of you may have been using it. This one, I've been using this app since 2016. Okay, it has a lot of add-on function right now, and a majority of them you can keep using it. Okay, what I do, the first thing you can try is that just type Canva and you can logo on Google App. You're gonna show you what? You're gonna show you a logo maker. Okay, it's by Canva. When you click on it, you can start to design your logo for your store. You don't even hire someone. Okay, so when you ask me what kind of logo I should design for my store, I would say keep it really simple, which is use what? Use just word, use text. Okay, so you can see through here, you can see a lot of it. Right, you can see a lot of it. They have the logo. If you're a basketball, you can type basketball. You can even type the niche. So for example, like last time I typed cats niche, right? I do a demo on cat. You can just type cat. See? They also have the cat. There are at least 6 of them you can pick from. Okay, you can just pick this one. Okay, and then what? You can just change the name to your store. Maybe Catco, right? Your store maybe called Catco, right? Maybe you don't even list this box. You can just delete it. Okay, so in this case, Canva already give you the color tone you need to use, which means on your website you just use blue and a yellow button, or yellow with blue button. Then you don't need to think a lot. A lot of people ask me, hey, what kind of color I should use on my add to cart button? What kind of color I should use on my link? Just stick with your logo of the color. You don't need a lot. Basically, 3 to 4 color is maximum on your store. A lot of people, I have green, I have black, I have white, all kind of color. It will just make your store just stupid. Doesn't look branded at all. That's why just follow this color tone. You can see they have all the color tone for you already. The orange with the white, the pink with the white, right? The orange with the black, with the blue. So you can see when you type cat, Canva already do the research for you. It means that pet store always work best with the blue one and the yellow tone. Well, you can try others, right? Maybe you can try fish, okay? Yeah, maybe not. That's not a fish. Maybe how about camping? Yeah, camping. Okay, when you try camping, see, camping one, the green one, right? The green one and a little bit purplish, right? They have the campsite here, the house, right? Then you just use this one. It's already your logo. You can even change the font, change the other things, right? And then you can even change the logo. For example, you can just go to element, then you can type other things, maybe campsite. Right? They will show you other option. Right? Then you just use it. For the one with the crown, that means the pro version. That means you need to pay for it. I will not use that one. You can just use the free one. If you cannot find it, just type free. Too many free. You type free. Normally they will show you the one which is free, but it seems like there are none here right now. So normally it's in the bottom. Yeah, you can see the one is free. Yeah, maybe those are the expensive one. Okay, but even you pay for the pay version, I think just around $6 to $5 per month. Okay, so you can try to use this one to create your logo. Okay, but for me, the easiest logo for me I created, I'm gonna show you right now. Okay, what I do, I just go to text. You can just go to text and then just pick this one. All this can be a logo. Favorites like this one. Okay, just this one. Right, you just pick this one, right? You just enlarge it, right? Maybe your store name, I don't know, maybe call BB right? Something like that. I don't know. Maybe this is just a simple 6-word name. Yeah, that's okay. Just like this. Keep it simple, right? Word logo is the best. You can look at all the famous company on the stock market. Most of them, they just use simple word. Okay, like Amazon, Apple, Samsung, all kind of them. Dyson, right? They just use the simple word. That's why you don't need to create a logo. Basically, just use the word, use the text. You can later on expand it with a logo. Right? Just use this one. All right. So this is for logo design. And then, you know what you can do? You can also make a product page. I mean, make your creative for your Facebook ad. Okay. You can also create video as well. But we will not go to talk about video because for me, most of my time I only use text and photo for my ad copy. Okay. I'm gonna do a quick demo. So we can go to maybe just photo. Let's say I can just pick one product. Okay. Let's say, let me see. Maybe I'm doing like shirt. Okay, let's say I'm selling this one. Okay, you just put it there. You can enlarge it. Okay, something like that. Okay, most of the people, they will say, okay, I need to add some text like limited author, limited edition, something like that. You need to keep it really, really simple because Facebook can read all the text on your photo. The more text you have, the higher chance it will increase your CPM, which is increase your aspect. Okay, there's a rule that your maximum number you can put on your photo is 20%. Okay, you can just go to Google, you search Facebook text overlay. Yeah, when you type text overlay, it will have software here. Okay, you just upload your photo there. Okay, you can just upload your photo there. It will show you how many percentage of text that Facebook detected on your photo. So when it show you 20%, then don't use it, right? You can see here, right? Okay, it means there's not enough text. Then it's okay. You can run smoothly. If it's low, you need to reach maybe a little bit lower. Too much text, you may not even run. Okay, so that's why always use this software to check whether your photo have too many text. Okay, just this one, text overlay. You can just search it on this one, text overlay on Google. Okay, and then let's go back to it. So for example, I'm selling this shirt. Okay, what I do, I will just add a very, very simple thing on here, which is I will go to element. And then I will go to shape. When I go to shape, let's use the square. Okay, I will add a square, and then I will put it in the bottom, which is like here. and then we move it around, make it like this one. Okay, you can make it bigger. Okay, so we'll add like something like a corner over there. I just use the small corner. Okay, maybe this size is easier for you guys. Okay, you can just add a corner here. Very simple one. Okay, and then you can try to add a text. You can just use a simple heading. You can just say sale, just like sale. Right, you can change the color to red. People always love red color. You can put the red. And you put it there. Right? You can make it very simple, just like this. You can make it smaller. You can use sale. You can use 20% off. You can use whatever. Okay? I know other people always do one more thing, which is they always put something here in the bottom. Okay, they put something there. Okay, wait. They'll put something there, right? Then they'll add a text, which is, you can do the same. Okay, they will do it something like that. Okay, they'll put it here. Then we'll type, okay, I don't know, maybe cat shirt. Just for example, like this. Okay, you do put it in the square. Okay, so most of you, they will do like something like that. Okay, I don't prefer adding anything like this one in the bottom. Okay, in the bottom or the top. Don't use those kind of layout because Facebook notice, because a lot of video they're also using this layout. Okay, Facebook already don't like this kind of layout. The maximum you can do, just add a smaller corner over there. You can take sale, you can take free shipping, you can take 20% off. That's it. But most of the time, you don't even add those kind of things. Just use the photo here. You just delete all kind of things. You can just delete this too. Delete this too. Just like that. Keep it really, really simple. This is already can make the sales for you because the photo will do the talking, not your text. Alright? Don't get it too complicated. Most of it I just do like that. I just download the photo from AliExpress. That's it. I'm gonna do it. Okay? Another thing you must do it is that you want to change the size of the photo to at least 1000 to 1000 pixel. What can you do? You just type bulk. You can just type bulk image resizer. Yeah, you can see bulk image resizer. Then you just find just free one, right? You can just upload the photo you download, and then they can change the size. Alright, they can change the size to 1000 times 1000 pixel. Okay, this is very important. That 1000 times 1000 pixel is that the photo they can be used on Instagram as well as Facebook. Okay, because Instagram have a minimum size of having is 800 to 800 or something like that. But just make it to 1000 to 1000, so you can use for all the size. Okay, I always use square photo because most of the device can use square photo. Alright. Okay, just type 777 in the chat box if you already get something useful for you. Okay, Canva is one of the best tools I always use because it's free. Okay, the first pure on demand product, the first product I sold. Okay, I used Canva to design my logo. Then I put it there on my mug, and then I got my first, second, or third sale just because of that. Okay, so if you're low on budget, you want to create your pre-on-demand T-shirt or mug, basically just use Canva. Use Canva. A lot of logo, right? A lot of element. You can do a lot of things just from here. Okay, you can see all this. If you have money, you can pay for the premium version. Right? Let me see how much is the premium. See, flower, right? If you're into flower design, see flower, those are free. All these are free. You can see a lot of flower. If you're doing flower niche, you can use this, right? Let me see how much is the pro. Okay, let me search for you guys. Canva pricing pro. Okay, see, how much? Only 9.95 per month. Okay, but this is monthly. If yearly, it will be around $13 per month. Okay, but you can use all of it. If you are a designer, I'm sure this is all very useful for you. Okay, so Canva is the one I highly recommend it. Okay, because you can resize your photo as well in there. You can create video. Yeah, I didn't mention you can create video. When you just type Canva video, yeah, free video maker. You can make a video basically just by using Canva. Right? They have all the video there. Right? You can just pick one. Let's play. Right? You can add a simple touch on your video with just 5-second video and use this one. Okay, you don't do a lot of things. Okay, so this is the one I highly recommend it, which is Canva. Okay, and then the second one I would recommend is that, let me see. Yeah, commerce is better. Last time I told you already, right? Okay, Commerce Inspector is there's a paid version, but you don't need to use the paid version. You can just use the free version. Okay, this software can help you search for competitor store and also help you to find winning product. Okay, in a very easy way. Okay, so I will not go too deep. Okay, you can just use a random email and you can just register it. Okay, I will not go too deep. I just really go through it. You can just go to watch my second video, the live training. I show you exactly the step that you can play around with Commerce Inspector. Okay, you can just go to trend. You can see what are the posts that's popular right now. Okay, they are the trend. You can see top site, which is the top site right now on Shopify. You can see all these sites. Okay, you can go to Facebook ad. I didn't on the extension. Wait on. You can also see what kind of application that most of the website use. You can see looks review. You can use it. Okay, this is the one I'm also using for my store. Okay, looks review. It's expensive. I would say it's expensive. Okay, if you don't have the budget, just use the product review. It's a free version. Okay, Klaviyo is the email autoresponder that I'm using. Okay, I use Klaviyo, but Klaviyo is also expensive. Okay, so that's why I recommend you guys to use MailChimp. Okay, MailChimp is free for the first 2,000 user, first 2,000 email subscriber. So you'll be very useful for you for when you start your store. Okay, because if you already have 2,000 subscribers, normally you're already making a lot of money. Okay, that's why just use the free version of MailChimp. In MailChimp, you also need another software to make sure it can connect to the Shopify. Because MailChimp used to be a partner of Shopify, but now Shopify remove it. They try to create their own Shopify email. So maybe later on, a few months later, Shopify may release their own version called Shopify email. So you can use that one, you can try it out. But for right now, I recommend using MailChimp. Okay, because the first 2,000 user, the subscriber is free. Okay, but you need to install one app called ShopSync. Okay, ShopSync. Okay, ShopSync will synchronize the data from your Shopify to your MailChimp account. Okay, so this is also free. You can install both of them together and then you link it together. All right. And then, yeah, best currency converter. Okay. For my store, I know a lot of people ask me, should I use best currency converter? Should I use currency converter? Okay, I will say I don't use currency converter. For me, I don't use it. Okay, because I want my store to look really branded, which is in the USD only. Okay, I know a lot of people try to do, I use currency converter, Let me know, you're gonna have a lot of issues related to customer issues. They will ask you why it show me in, maybe they're from New Zealand. They show them New Zealand dollar, and then when they get paid, they pay USD. They will ask, hey, what happened? You show me New Zealand dollar. They will say, you need to add a lot of quotes below and after. Keep saying, okay, the price it shows is New Zealand dollar, but actually we're gonna charge you USD. It make it incongruent. Okay, I know some may increase the conversion rate, some may reduce the conversion rate. Okay, for me, I always stick with USD. Okay, because you can look at other really top brand sites. Most of them they only use their USD. Okay, that's why you can try to pick the risk whether you want to use it or not. You can test it by yourself, but it really depends on your niche and your audience. For me, I don't use it. All right, and then yeah. Hotjar is a good one. Okay, there's free trial for 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Okay, or even 1 month. Hotjar is what? Hotjar is an application that can track the visitor on your website where they click around. Okay, there's another competitor called Lucky Orange. Okay, Hotjar and Lucky Orange, they're competitor. Okay, both of them doing the similar things. Okay, if you want to track whether your customer scroll down to the bottom of the page or they scroll or where they click it. So if you're really a tech guy, you want to know what happened on your website, you can just install Hotjar or Lucky Orange. Okay, they are free trial. You can use it for just 1 or 2 weeks. You see how it goes. It's not too expensive, but they can help you really to track that where your customer, they really will check your whole website where they click around, or they simply just don't even click around. They just go away. Okay, Hotjar and Lucky Orange is something you can try. Okay, for tracking your customer behavior. Okay, and then mail management people. Okay, those not the one I use. I don't use it. Yep, this one. Personalizer targeted recommendation by line spot. Okay, this one is what? This one is like a recommendation tools that they will show you frequently bought related item on your website. okay, or something like that. People always bought with this. So this software, okay, is free. Okay, it's free. I think it's free, but they will charge you based on the money you make for people by clicking those recommendations. Okay, so when one of my store, we are doing like 3 to 400k. They really charge us, okay, 2k sometime, because they charge us like 1 or 2% of the transaction. Okay, so they will charge us a few k just by this application. I don't know how they track it, but I still use it because it's gonna save me a lot of time to pick which product to show to the people. Okay, so if you already have a very optimized store, you can try to use this one, personalizer target recommendation by line spot. Okay, let me see, anyone is useful. Yeah, Shopify. Okay, a lot of people ask me, do I need to use any kind of pixel tracking software? Okay, if you really follow me, I don't use any of them. I really don't use any of the tracking pixel or tracking, not pixel, I mean tracking application. Okay, I just use the default Shopify one. Okay, I don't need to use it. But I have this app, because this Shopify app can help you to create custom audience and lookalike audience with just one click. It's really easy to create audience with this software. But I don't use them to put my pixel on my store. Okay, I don't know why I don't use it, but I just don't like to use it. I feel like it always slow down my website. That's why I use the default ones. Okay, but this is useful for you to when you to create a custom audience and also to create a lookalike audience. Okay. Yep, those should be the one that I can show you here. All right, and actually there's some more that I didn't put it here. Okay. So one thing in the very beginning is that you're gonna buy a domain name, right? A lot of people may have buy a domain name or not yet. Okay, if you not yet buy a domain name, if you try to buy a new domain name, I highly recommend do not use the Shopify one. The Shopify allow you to buy the domain name, but they charge you $14 per year. At the same time, you cannot take the domain out. You're gonna have to stick with Shopify in order to use your domain. That means you cannot share with other people. You cannot do other kind of stuff with domain. Okay, it's like they have tied you to a Shopify. Okay, so I would recommend you guys to use one website. It's called Namecheap. Okay, Namecheap is the one that you can buy the domain. Okay, they are really good because they give you whois. So let's say cat ing.com. Let's say this one. Okay, it's free. You can see it's just 8.88 per year. Okay, and then one thing you really need to know is that whether those websites you use to want you to buy the domain name, whether they include something called whois-guard. Okay, whois-guard. Because whois is some kind of bounded by rules that they have to show who is the owner of the domain name. Okay, if you didn't buy the whois-guard, your email, your phone number, your address will be shown online, so people can check who owns this domain. Okay, that's why when you have a whois, that means they will cover it. They will just show you the domain belongs to Namecheap, so people cannot check your privacy kind of things. Okay, and for Namecheap, they free for the whois for you for your whole life. Okay, for GoDaddy and all the other websites, you need to pay whois, like extra $1 or $2 per year. Okay, just use this one. It's free for you and it's just 8.88. Okay, including tax, I think it's just around how much? Just $9. Just $9 for per year. You can buy one that including whois. Okay, just use this one. All right. Yeah. Okay. Use code welcome30. Right. Yeah. Let me try. Welcome30. How much this can I get? Okay. We encounter the picture again. Okay, maybe I need to log in. Okay, so you can try to use. You can also always Google for discount code. You just type Namecheap discount code. Then you can find a coupon code you can use. Then you put it on the website. Okay. So Namecheap is another one, and then also Google Shopping. Okay, Google Shopping. Google Shopping is something you can try. You should try. Basically, you have to do it. Okay. For Google Shopping Shopify, they already have it on Shopify. Okay, you just type Google Shopping, which is a Google channel basically. You just add it, okay? Then they will help you to open a Google merchant account. They will help you open a Google ad account. They will help you open basically everything that you need to set up your Google advertisement. And it's free. So just do it, then you can connect your website to Google. And later on, when you do Google advertisement, when you do Google Shopping ad, you can just use this one. It can save you a lot of time. Okay, this one is one of the things you must have. Okay, for the Google channel. Just do it. It's free. Just add it to your store. Okay. Okay, and then let me see. Theme. A lot of people ask me about Shopify theme, which theme they should use, right? Okay, I will use. Wait. Debuild. Okay, if you are lack of budget, you are new to Shopify, you don't know what it is, just use this one. It's called Debuild. Debuild or something like that. It's free. Okay, this one is free. It looks really nice if you are starting your new store. Okay, this look best for the brand store. Okay, you can view demo. The default setting is already really nice. Look at it. Just very simple one. Very simple one, right? Just use this one. This one is good enough for you when you just started. Okay. And then another one I would recommend is called Minimal. Okay, it's also from Shopify. It's called Minimal. Minimal is the theme, okay, that bring me my first 500k, okay, in 2016. This is a theme I used in 2016, but they are really old school. This one is the best for general store. I would say it's good for the general store. Okay, it's good for general store, not really for branded store. Branded store is most of the branded store they have like this one. They cover the whole page. But for general store, they always just show in the middle. Okay, so for this one, it's also good. Okay, but for me, if you have the money, you have the budget, use this one, Turbo by Out of Sandbox. Okay, this one, Turbo. Okay, Turbo here. Okay, Turbo is the fastest one, I would say, fastest one and most branded one right now on Shopify. I mean, this is on the internet for Shopify store. Okay, because when you download the one Turbo, you're gonna give you 6 presets. You give you 6 different layout that you can use for different brand. Okay, you can see they have this one. Okay, they have this one, this black and white. They have all the others one, right? Let me show you some demo. Right, this is expensive. You can see it is how much? $350. Okay, you can try to get a discount code somewhere, somehow, I don't know, but they always do discount in Black Friday. I got mine around $180 only, like long time ago. Okay, you can buy this one. Like for example, you can see it's really branded. They are really branded. You can even shop. They load really fast, right? And they have a lot of customization. Okay, I would just highly recommend for you to use Turbo. You can see a lot of websites that do a million, they also use Turbo. A lot of my friends, they also using Turbo. Okay, so if you want to use it, pick this one if you have the budget. Okay, it's not cheap. Okay, it's not cheap. So don't go for it if you do not have the budget. I prefer spend money on Facebook ad instead on discount things. Okay. All right. So what else? Google Shopping, product catalog. Okay, product catalog. Flexify. Okay, you may need to create a product catalog for your Facebook, which is you can use product catalog to do Facebook ad. Okay, it is a very advanced strategy. Okay, which is not for beginner kind of. You need to know how to do it, but I will recommend you can also try to download this app. It's just called Flexify. It will help you to create. It can help you to put all your product on your store to push it to Facebook. So later on, you can just use the product catalog to do marketing on your Facebook ad. You don't need to pick product. Facebook, you pick the product for you when you're using something called product catalog ad. For me, okay, I would say for the product catalog, basically I don't need to touch any product. I can just put it there. I have one campaign, I think it lasts for like really half a year. They are still giving me like 4x or 5x ROI every single day. Because he will pick the product the best and show to the audience based on what they like. That's why in my store we have 3,000 products. I don't know which product to pick. I will just use the product catalog ad and will based on that guy or that people interact with my website or with other website, he will show you the product that is useful or suitable for them. Okay, this is called, you can use this app to create a product catalog. Okay, this is called Flexify. Okay, we help you to create a catalog so you can use it on Facebook and on Instagram. Okay, this is a free version for 1,000 product. If you want a 1,000 product, then you need you to upgrade. Okay, so I don't think you have 1,000 product in the beginner, so just use this one. Okay, if you need. Okay, and then email. Abandonment protect. Okay, another one for the email, which is for abandonment card. Okay, which means when the people go to your website, and then they go to the checkout page, they put down all the email and they didn't pay. So you want to retarget them, you want to send to them another email. I would say you can use this one. It's called Abandonment Protector. Okay, Abandonment Protector is really, really low cost, just $X per month. You can set up 3 or 4 email to send to the people that they abandon their cart. Okay, you can give you 10% off, 20% or 30% off. Okay, they already have the template. You don't need to do a lot of stuff. You don't even do a lot of stuff. You can see. So let me show you. Yeah, here you left something behind, right? We notice you haven't bought this, get a discount for 10%. This one is easy to set up because they already have the template for you. You can just follow the step-by-step guide to set up your website. Okay, you don't need to do a lot of stuff with MailChimp. Just use this one, then you are good to go. Okay, you can just use this one, then you are good to go. All right. And then, so people ask me, Yik, you use a lot of product on AliExpress, so you need to put your product to AliExpress, to your Shopify store, right? And people always recommend to use one app. It's called Oberlo. Okay, it's called Oberlo. But for me, I don't use Oberlo. Okay, I'm not using Oberlo because I have another one, but this is free. Okay, Oberlo is free for you to import product from AliExpress to Oberlo. You're gonna save a lot of time. Okay, but for me, I use another one called Shopify. Okay, wait, it's called Shopify. Okay, it's called Shopify. Okay, it's do the same thing as Oberlo, but you need to pay. Okay, it's $47 per month, or even $127 per month. Okay, because the reason why I use this one, because I bought this one like 4 years ago. I have the grandmother or grandfather version, which is I don't need to pay any money. I think at that time I paid $500. I can use unlimited store and unlimited user forever. Okay, so that's why I'm using this one. But still, I think they have the best setup for me. Okay, they can do a lot of things that Oberlo cannot do. Okay, so if you have the budget, you can try to use this one. But you can just use Oberlo. Alright, you can just use Oberlo. Stick with Oberlo. Okay. Alright. Benjamin, let me see if anything you can try to use. AliExpress, Commerce Better, Oberlo. Yeah, this should be enough. Okay, those software are already enough for you, for your store. Don't need to get too many stuff. Okay, in the beginning, your only focus is that find product, Facebook ad, and then purchase, and then order. That's it. Okay, the second thing you should do, you should pay money to hire a customer service team. Okay, you should pay money to hire your customer service team. Okay, which is the second most important thing for you to do other than these kind of things. Alright, so when you want to hire a customer service team, you can just talk to me. Okay, actually we have a VA company, have 20 people from the Philippines. Okay, they have been working with me for the already 4 years. Okay, so I'm part of the investor kind of. If you want to have the best service in e-commerce, you can just talk to me. I can refer you to my manager. My manager will come up with a plan for you. So anything about store setup, about importing product, about all kind of things, you can just, if you need service, just ask to me. I can refer you to them. Okay, so they can take care after you. Alright, so send me a private message if you are looking for VA to work with your store. Okay, and then if I know some of you may be already scaling up, so which means you have to have a number of staff. Okay, so that's why you need to also have some team management software. Okay, I really love team management software because it's gonna save you a lot of time. Okay, so the first one you must have is Slack. Okay, Slack is the best team communication software you must have. Okay, let me show you some photo. Okay, you can see here. Is it too small? Okay, let me show you another photo. Yep, this one. Yep, this one. Okay, so what you can do is you can see here. Let me make it bigger. Open in a new tab. Okay, so the best thing for this one is that even you are just one people, you are just yourself using it, I will still prefer you can also use Slack. Because you can open a lot of channel over there. When you open channel, you can, for me, I can open a channel called what? Called product idea. So when I find any product, I will just share to this channel. And then another channel will be just spied product I found from other website. Then I put another channel called spy channel and I put it there. Okay, another channel may be just called, I don't know, customer service. So your customer service team will be there. So whenever related to customer service, you can discuss in that channel. Another one may be like, I don't know, maybe admin or team meeting. So for all the meeting notes, you can put another channel over there, right? So this is really for a channel for you to keep record down anything you need to do, right? You can put a channel product research or competitor store, Facebook ad strategy, right? Facebook ad copy, right? You can put a list of channel over there. Then you can share all the things inside there. So a lot of people may use Google Sheet, a lot of people may use, I don't know, other kind of software, but just use Slack. You can easily go back to it. You can scroll down like this one. You can put a like, you can put an emoji. You can see, you can put emoji there. You can even leave, you can open another thread. Basically, that means you can, wait. Right, you can do a lot of things just by using Slack. Okay, I will highly recommend you guys, even you're just one man gang, go buy for it, go use it. It's free. Use it, try to practice it. Because you can also here, you can see here, you can open different company over there. I mean different project. So one project can have different channel, and in different channel they can have different discussion. And within the discussion, you can also within the discussion you can talk more stuff over there. Okay, this is the best software I've ever seen. I have been using this for 4 years already. Okay, just use this one if you are for team communication or just for yourself to keep tracking of what you have done. Okay, this is Slack. Okay, another one I would recommend is Asana. Okay, Asana is also another very good one for project management. Let me show you a very good demo. This one. Okay, so Asana looks something like that. Or you can create something like 1 column, 2 column, 3 column, 4 column. So for example, what I do, I would put in this one, I would say maybe product idea. Okay, this one product need to text, and then product launch, right? And this one maybe result. Then it means that whenever you have some product idea, you can put it here. You put one box this product, put the AliExpress link, even put the Facebook ad link, all kind of link that you use for you. You create each box one by one. And then when you want to do the test, you can just, okay, move it to in progress. I move it to here. That means I need to do it. Then my team, you go to this Asana software, they look at it. Okay, this one need to move on. That means I need to import it. I need to find the ad copy. I need to do all kind of stuff. And then you can just move another one or maybe ready. Then your Facebook ad team can launch the Facebook ad. But just look at this one. Oh, okay, this is already ready to launch. Then they will launch it, and then another day you can just come back to see. Okay, this week I have launched 10 products in the complete session, and then what's the results of that? So it will be easier for you to keep track on how many products you have launched, how's the performance, when do they start to launch, what's any comments, where you find the source, because you put all the link in the beginning, right? So this is also one of the best I use Slack and Asana for my team. Slack for discussion, for notice, for announcement, and then Asana for project management, which is what is going on. Okay, what is going on? Okay, so this one I highly recommend, even for yourself. It's not for team, it's for you as well. You can put. Do you remember last week? I asked you guys to do one homework, which is find 50 products using my strategy, right? Let me know in the chat box who has done the homework. Okay, 50 product using Commerce Inspector and using AliExpress Dropshipping Center, right? So if you haven't do the work, go back to watch my previous live training, and you're gonna know how I find 50 product. Okay, so you can just put all 50 product here. So you know, then you just move. Okay, I need to prioritize it. Which one I should test first, based on the order number, maybe based on, I don't know, based on whether they have a very good photo. Then you just move in progress. Okay, well, I need to work on this one first. So you can always prioritize your product testing using Asana. Okay, so easy to use. Just put it there. You keep moving it, dragging it around. Instead of just look at, oh, there's 1,000 link on my Google Sheet. What should I do? I don't even what product is it. Because, can you see it? Can you see this photo there? When you put the link in Asana, they may, or you can, also put a photo there. So you can just look at it, you know what product is it. You don't need to look at the name. You can just look at the photo. So it's gonna save you a lot of time. And I'll bring prefer visual. When we see visual things, it always work faster, easy for them to connect. But if they just see word, you're gonna slow down. Just like we don't love reading book, we love reading comic book, right? So this is exactly the same. That's why Asana is easier for you to use when you work as a team or even for yourself. All right. Okay, so keep the comment box active. Okay, because today I'm gonna pick the winner for the free consultation call. Okay, just whenever you're doing something new, just type 777 in the chat box. All right. Okay. Another software I would say you have to use is Zoom. Okay, just download Zoom. Zoom is a video call, a referencing call for you to talk with your team, because Zoom can allow you to control other people's computer. So when you do a demo, it's very good for you to use this one. You can control your team computer. At the same time, you can record a video. There's a lot of effects. They're also free for the first 14 minutes. Okay, every call. So Zoom is another one I use. All right, and then if okay, this some trick for you. Okay, a lot of people ask me, they want to look for supplier, they want to know how to talk with the AliExpress seller. Okay, one thing you should download, the first app is called WeChat. Okay, you need to download something called WeChat. Okay, WeChat you can download on your phone, you can download on your computer, but they need to use phone number to verify or email. So WeChat is okay. WeChat has 1 billion user in China. Basically, every single person in China, they use WeChat. So if you want to communicate with your seller on AliExpress, you need to download WeChat, then you copy your ID, you send your ID to the AliExpress message, you tell them, let's check in WeChat. Because the AliExpress chat box is not useful. It's not good enough. It's difficult for you to see notification. But when you download it and then you ask them to talk with you with WeChat, they reply really, really fast, because those are the software they use every single day. Okay, let's say it's just like for people send you a messenger chat on you or iMessage to you or even SMS to you, you always check it, right? So the same, if you want to have faster communication with AliExpress seller or people from China, your fulfillment center agent, use WeChat. Okay. And then one thing I always recommend all of you to do is that you need to start building up your SOP. If you don't know what is SOP, this one. Okay, I have a book here. So the book called E-Myth. Okay, the book called E-Myth Revisited. So if can someone help me type in the chat box? E-Myth. This book tells you something about how McDonald's became so successful because they built something called SOP. SOP means standard operation protocol or standard operation procedure. Okay, it means that you're gonna make a list of things what you have done daily. You make a record of how you do it exactly, and then later on you just need to send this record to your staff. Then your staff know what exactly they need to do. Okay, but this is a text version. So when you want to do is that you need to make a video version. Okay, you can search something called use Loom here. Then this software, this is already here. I can already put it here on my computer. Okay, this one. Yeah, Loom, right? It's here. So they will help you to record your screen. They will upload it to Loom here directly. So when you after recording the video on the script desktop, like how you do the product research, how you curate the Canva, all kind of things, they will directly upload to here, to your website, to Loom, your account. Then you can just simply share this link to your team or to anyone. They can watch it. Then they know how to do it. You don't need to do a lot of things, texting or whatever. Just use Loom to record what you have done. Then share this with your team. So you can train your team, you can train your staff, you can train everyone. Just using this software called use Loom, or just type Loom. Alright? Yep. And then what other thing I always use is just Google Sheet, Google Doc, and they're always enough. Yeah, it's quite useful already. Alright? Okay, in India, WeChat is not there. Okay, I would recommend you guys use Skype. Okay, if WeChat is not there, because India block it. I know India block it and also block TikTok, right? So you can use Skype. Okay, Skype. Most of the seller they also use Skype. Okay, Skype. Okay, I think you also have Skype, right? Skype is another one you can try. Okay, most of the they always or another one QQ. QQ is also from Chinese. Okay, QQ is also you can also use QQ. Okay, QQ, WeChat are the one that all Chinese people they have their account. Okay, QQ and WeChat. If not, Skype. Okay, if still no, okay, just stick with AliExpress message. Okay, ask what they use, then you can share what they want to use. All right. Okay. Yep. Someone Jalo already titled the E-Myth Revisited. Yeah, it's a great book. Okay, go buy that book and read it. All right. So I think that should be enough for you. Okay, there's a lot of lists, right? If you want to get the long list that I have, okay, actually another software I would highly recommend you use is Grammarly. Okay, wait. So it's too small. Okay, it's too small. So Grammarly. Let me see if I can make it bigger. Okay, I cannot make it bigger. Sorry if the screen is too small. So basically, Grammarly is something to help you to track your grammar. Okay, you can download Grammarly on your phone. You can just use the web version. It's everywhere. You can just type Grammarly. Okay, Grammarly. Right? It will help you to proofread your text. It will recommend you some word that is useful for you to use it. Right? Yeah, I have this one. The all-time must-have app. Okay, so I use this to tie my script. Oh no, I mean tie my Facebook post so they can help me to track it, right? So this one you can use it if you are not a native English speaker, or even you are, you can try to use this one. Okay, you can use the free version or whatever. So you can see I have all the lists here: Commerce Inspector, Similar Web, eCom Profit Hub, Spy, all kind of software I use already here. Okay, you can search in my Facebook group. I already have this list on a group. Okay, so you can just simply use this one. Okay. All right. So Grammarly is the one you can try. Okay. And then that should be it. That should be enough for all the software. Okay. So let me go back to the free consultation winner, the most exciting part. Right. So that's been like nearly 1 hour. So for you guys staying with me, right? So now I'm gonna pick the free consultation winner that you're gonna have a call with me maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I'm gonna help you to map out your e-commerce plan. Okay, so keep the message box, keep the chat box really active. Give me a lot of 777, give me anything. Okay, give me eye-catching stuff. And Cherry gonna pick a winner on the chat box. Okay, I'm gonna give you a few seconds, a few 1 minute. Okay, gonna drink some water. Okay. Okay, some people ask me about Ali Dropshipping Center. Okay, just watch my previous video. Okay, it's a very long video. Go watch it. You can just click the video session on my on the group. You can find the video. Okay. 选我 Someone type Chinese. Okay. Keep it active. Keep it active. Okay. 上次打 live 嗰個係嘛 ？Okay, so okay, 5 more seconds, okay, 5, 4, okay, 3, 2, 1, okay, Cherry gonna pick one, okay. Okay, Cherry need the mouse. Okay, wait a minute. Okay. Okay, seems like my computer is quite smooth today. You know, Facebook has been really laggy when I do the live. I cannot even see the comment. Okay, whenever I scroll up or scroll down, it just freeze, and I always afraid that I'm gonna lose my connection. Okay, and now Cherry's gonna pick one. Okay. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, stop. Okay, I picked the one who called 不要选我 okay? Okay, Chiao, you're the one. Where? Okay. Chiao. Yao Hiep Ji, right? Okay. I don't know whether you're from China or from where, okay? So you are the lucky one. Cherry pick this one. You say do not pick you. Okay, if you really don't want us to pick you, okay, I will pick another one. Okay. So send me a private message. Okay, send me a private message, and I will let you know what we can do next. Okay, and then there will be one more winner for this week. Okay, there will be one more winner for this week. Okay, I'm so sure that. Wait. You all should have seen this guy, right? Oh. Okay. Lendro, okay. He helped us to create. Let me see. He helped us to create a draft kind of note for us for the last 2 live. Okay. He put in the effort. He created a really, really good post, a summary of our last live. Okay. That's why he's the one that I have to give him a free consultation. Okay, so Lindro, please send me a message today or tomorrow. I will make a time for you. I will give you 30 or 40 minutes of live or training for you to help you to map up your store or everything. Okay, because everyone, if you want to know the summary of my previous live, okay, just search his name. Okay, just search his name. Okay, in here in the group. Okay, just simply search his name in the group. You can find the amazing content Lindro has created for us. Okay, he mapped out how to find a winning product, the winning mindset, all kind of things of what I did last week and the previous week there. Okay, so just go there and support him. Okay, I will literally let you to do the free consultation with me. All right. So really thank you for helping us to do the summary. Okay, so let's go back to here. Yeah, we see a lot of people really appreciate it. Okay, so and then last. I think that should be. Let me see what else. Oh man, I was just below. Yeah, you were just below. Okay. So again, I want you to remind you guys some things. Okay. Don't leave here. Don't leave here. Some big announcement for you guys. Okay. Success was just a byproduct of the things doing. I suppose it's just a byproduct of doing the work I enjoy doing. Okay. I love doing live training. I love talking. I love teaching. That's why you can see I'm more energized when I do teaching. That's why if you really want to learn more about from me, just stay with me all my life. Okay? That's why here. So I want you guys to go to the group, okay, to pick the notification for all posts. Okay, you pick the notification and you pick all posts. So you will not miss any posts from us. And then go to my profile, click the follow button. Okay, so you will not miss any notification from my Facebook profile. Okay, if you're not yet add me as a friend, feel free to add me as a friend. Okay, I will accept you guys. Okay, because I want to connect with you guys. Okay, so just add me as a friend. I will also, if I have time, I will always reply to your message. Okay, the reason why I cannot reply your message is because I have like 100 messages every single day, and Facebook only allow me to reply around 50 of them before they limit me. Okay, that's why I have to limit myself. I cannot reply too many messages. Okay, so I will always reply you guys when I can. Alright, so click the follow button so you can see my chat. Okay, and I will always reply Facebook comment because I always check the notification instead of my Facebook message. Okay, and then yeah, one last thing. I know I always talk about this one. Okay, the YNC Entrepreneurs Clubs. I know a lot of people already joined it. Okay, so if you want to really know how to create a business, you want to know how to do business automation, you really know the mindset of what I've been using. Okay, this club is for you. It's just $50 per month or $500 per year. Okay, this is really low entry price for all of you. I just want to have a group of people try to help me to achieve my dream, which is I want to change 1 million people's life. Okay, this is exactly what I want to do. For me, I have a dream with Cherry that I want to help 1 million people to change their life, and I need a group of people together with me. That's why I opened this club called YNC Entrepreneurs Club. Is that I'm going to train you guys to understand the concept of really how to make good use of business, to automate a business, to earn money, at the same time contributing back to the community. For me, okay, I own a company. I own a wee company of 20 people from the Philippines. Okay, every 21 people of them, they have a family. So I'm feeding them. They buy new server, they buy new TV. I'm supporting their life. Okay, and I also have another 15 staff only working for my e-commerce store. So every time they have the job, they have the opportunity, they have the chance to work for other people, right? And then I also have another channel which I teach spiritual study. I teach about law of attraction, mindset, meditation. Okay, so if you want to learn about meditation, you can just simply search YNC Academy on YouTube. You can find me. Okay, so stay with me. One last thing. I know a lot of people private message me about the mentorship. Okay, this is about the mentorship. Okay, I'm sorry that I do not have any slot for the private one-on-one mentorship because I already have 7 students. I already have 7 students that I'm already doing private mentorship, which is 1 week I'm going to offer them 1 hour to help them optimize their store. Okay, that's why this really take a lot of time. I want them to be focused, so I don't want to do another one-on-one. Okay, but I am going to do a group coaching one, which is maybe 10 people or even 20 people are group. 10 to 20 people are group. Okay, I will let you guys do the coaching together at the same time. You can ask me anything. I will show you step by step how to set up your store, how to do Facebook ad, all kind of steps to you guys, so you can really be prepared for Q4, which is September, which is October, November, and December. Okay, because you still have 6 months. No, basically you only have 3 months left before you reach Q4 because July is already the first month of Q3. That's why you can see on my store, you can see on my Facebook feed, right? I just opened a 2 new store and both of them already getting sales. Okay, so it means that I'm also preparing my store to do all those kind of things. Okay, I want you guys to be prepared for Q3, which is like, I would say, like a latent period for you to do preparation. You open your store, you master your skills, so that on Q4 you can go straight to crush on it. Okay, you know how to set up your PayPal account, your Stripe account, to reduce the risk of getting banned or getting reserved. You know how to set up your credit card so you can have enough fund to do it, right? So that's why if you're really interested for the group coaching one, just send me a private message. Okay, this will be a 6-month group coaching. Okay, the one-on-one coaching I'm doing is 1 year. This I want them to be successful. I want them to hit like at least 100k, 200k, even 300k per month. Okay, but for the group coaching, because I cannot do it one-on-one. Okay, but every one of you, every month, I will give you guys 1 private one-on-one session together with also the group session. Okay, so if you are interested, you can send me a private message. Okay, it will not be very expensive. Okay, but you need to pay for it. If you do not have money to pay for it, I don't recommend you even try to get a membership. Okay, that's why only my free training should be enough for you to hit 1k day, 2k day. Okay, but with a membership, I'm so sure that you can get consistency. Okay, consistency in 5k, even 10k per day. Okay, so if you want to join my group coaching, okay, just send me a private message. I'm going to tell you more detail. Okay, it will be less than 1k per month. Okay, we will not expend more than 1k per month. Okay, I will not charge you crazy number for this one because I want you guys to also save the money for doing Facebook ad. That's why you need to be consistent. You really need to be. What I mean is that you need to be okay with your life before you join any kind of coaching. I always teach someone one mindset. Okay, let me show you my face. Okay, I always teach people one mindset. It means that whatever you make a decision of investing money, you use one thing called total loss. Always expecting there will be a total loss. If you put just say $500 to buy a course, $1,000 to buy a course, I'm so sure that if you buy it, you don't even read the course. You don't even watch the course. So what's the point? So this is total loss. The same when you invest on stock market, when you invest on real estate somewhere, the first minimum that you need to expect is that there will be total loss. Okay, because you never know what's going on on the market. That's why when you make a decision, you need to think about it. If I lose this bunch of money, will I be still okay? This is for your whole life. When you make whatever decision, when you buy a car, when you buy a house, when you get married, when you do all kind of investment, ask yourself, is it okay for me to have total loss of this amount of money? If after you lose this amount of money, you're gonna what? You're gonna be broke. You're gonna no money for pay your rent. Don't invest that kind of money. But after you invest the money, 100% all in, because the maximum loss is just total loss. There's nothing for you to lose anymore. Then you have to total in. That's why I always talk to other people, even for people who join my coaching, I always tell you that you need to make sure that after you spend the money on me, you're still okay with your living standard. Otherwise, don't pay for me. I will just kill your life otherwise. Right? Because you never know what's going to happen. Alright, so if you're interested for my private coaching, which is the group coaching, send me a private message. If I get certain enough number, I'm gonna open a group. Okay, that will be a 6-month session. Okay, so ask me anything in the Q&A. I'm gonna spend like around 10 minutes or 15 minutes for you guys. Alright? Okay, no water. Good. Email also here. Okay, let me see if any question. Okay, so let me know if you have any question. And before I look at the chat box, I will recommend you some books you need to buy. So as well, like Jado said, E-Myth Revisited is one of the best books you must buy. You have to buy it. No matter you are the first time starting business, no matter you have your own business, you have to get this one. You have to get this one. Look at it. I dropped notes on it as well. Let me see. Let me show you. Yeah, you know, all kind of highlights, all kind of stuff. Maybe not this one, this is another book. Okay, grab this one, the E-Myth. Another one I want you others to buy is called Rich Dad Poor Dad. Okay, Rich Dad Poor Dad, look at those notes, look at those notes. Okay, Rich Dad Poor Dad tell you how to master money. You need to understand that the poor are being controlled by money. The rich use money to make money. That's why the rich always love to spend money on knowledge, love to spend money to get on mentorship, get on coaching, to get to mastermind, because they can interact with the people that are better than them, and they're also willing to spend money. Think about it. Where the people always spend money, which means there are the money. When you go to the mastermind, which means everyone has always spent 10K, 20K to pay for it, those people gonna invest in your business, or they're gonna work with you together, gonna pay for you as well for your service, right? Because they're already willing to spend money. But when you try to earn money from the poor people, they just know, save money. They don't even want to spend money. That was their book. They don't know how to spend money properly, to invest on money, in knowledge and information to get them improved. That's all you can see. The rich people and the poor people, they can never stay together. Because totally the spending habit is so different. For us, we have paid, okay? For us, we are just 26 years old. Okay, we're 26 years old. For me, okay, me and Cherry, we have paid at least 200K USD just in mentorship. 200K USD just in mentorship. Basically, we earn back all the money. The more you pay to learn, when you put in the hard work, you can keep level up. Okay, the more money you pay, the more money you come back. But people say, okay, I already saved 100K in the bank. So you save a lot of money in the bank, and then you don't know how to invest. You're waiting to buy another house in the stock market, but you don't even pay to learn how to invest. What's the point of it? So if you have 100K, spend 25K to learn some learning. And remaining maybe 10K, 20K, play around. And then remaining 50K, so those are the really real money for you to invest. Right? So you really need to know how to master the game of money. Alright? So let me see any question. Okay, you mentioned about using Slack. Do you think Discord is good as well? It's really similar. Discord is really similar. Again, I think Discord also have a free version. But for me, I didn't use Discord because I don't like the layout. I prefer Slack more. And Slack has a bigger company. It's a bigger one. It's a bigger company. That means Slack will always keep improving with everything. The stability may be higher on Slack than Discord. But up to you. As to your preference, you can use Discord or Slack. Okay. Video editing beside Canva. Okay, I will forget to tell you one software. Really, really good for editing. This one. Okay, for the people who left already, sorry for you, you missed this one. Okay, so quick. It's on your phone. Didn't show my screen, wait. Okay, quick. This one is for video editing. It's on your iPad or your iPhone or on your app. Okay, it's on a mobile. It's a mobile version. It's called Quick. Okay, you can just download it. This is the best video editing software. The easiest one to do it. They have all the free music. They have all the free layout. They can have basically a lot of stuff. Okay, let me show you a demo if they can play a demo.
Introducing Quick.
Right? You can just use Quick.
Way to create awesome videos from your GoPro or smartphone.
Yeah, you can see they have a lot of templates.
In just seconds, Quick analyzes your footage to
find great. They will analyze your video, they will analyze your photo, and then they will make a video for you. Okay, they will have square and all the music, all the things for you to do it, for you to pick it. Okay, let me show you some quick demo. Yeah, you can see the
Adding
layout.
layered
Yeah, you can
use
also add the text
some
on it.
text overlays and title slots.
Okay, you don't need to spend a lot of time
You can even
because
add emojis.
I know a lot of people they will say, okay, I need to make a very really good photo. For me, I don't use those kind of software. I just use Quick. Most of my time I just use Quick or the default Facebook one, the Facebook slideshow one. Okay,
Just back from
this is enough. You can just use the Facebook slideshow. In the Facebook, there's actually Facebook already have two ways for you to create video: the slideshow and something like I forgot something like Canva, also in Facebook. So these two is enough. Quick, and also the Facebook one. Okay. Okay. Slack have a lot of integration. Slack can also integrate with Asana, which means you can create tasks on Slack to Asana. So when someone share a product on Slack, you can right click it and you can add a new task in Asana. So it will directly sync to Asana. And it will also remind you with the deadline, with all kind of things. Okay, can we work with PayPal? Okay, you know, my first store in 2016, I only use PayPal. I do 10K take every single day on that store in the cats niche. Okay, in the cats niche, and yeah, I use PayPal. Okay, I was stupid that I didn't create a Stripe account. If I also have a Stripe account, maybe I can have more conversion rate or more money. But still, product is key. Okay, at that time there's no Stripe in Hong Kong yet. Okay, that's why I didn't use Stripe. I only use PayPal. But even when you only have PayPal, you can use PayPal. I know a lot of my students, they also only use Stripe because some of their account, the PayPal account, well, I mean they only use PayPal because Stripe they dislike dropshipping store. Most of them they dislike dropshipping store. They don't like general store, especially general store. That's why for me, you can see my teaching. I only teach you about to do niche store. Okay. So repeat review my store. I have okay. Okay. If I didn't reply your Facebook message, please wait for me for a while. Okay. Because every day I only spend 30 minutes per day only to check my Facebook message because I need to focus on my stuff as well. Okay. But if you are in my coaching, if you are in my group, I always reply the group message. Okay. 下周记得选我. Okay. So some people using Chinese to talk to us, alright? Okay, again, so I have two offers for you guys. Okay. The first one is the Entrepreneurs Club. Okay. Trust me, this is the best investment you have in this year, which is the Entrepreneurs Club. Just $50 per month or just $500 per year. Okay, for the $500 per year month, I'm gonna give you my free foundational course, which is I'm preparing right now. Okay. This is already 6 or 7 video, live training video already in the group. You're gonna get access to this 7 video, which is I'm gonna tell you how to do Instagram growth. I'm gonna tell you how to build your team. I'm gonna give you my access to my team, to the VA company, and also all kind of software I recommend to you. And also the most important thing is mindset. I have the mindset from Chinese mentor, my mindset from Western mentor. I combine to give with my own version. I share in the group. So this is the best for you if you want to become an entrepreneur. Okay, and then the group coaching. If you want to really kickstart your e-commerce business, just talk to me, send a private message to me because I really do this just for you guys. Okay, I can make a lot of money through e-commerce. I can make a lot of money for my other stuff. But because I make a vow that I want to change 1 million people, I want you guys to be successful, and then you're gonna help me to help more other people. Okay, whatever people I help, they always love replying other people's message. Right, like Jason, I think Jason is not here. Jason is one of my students. He always loves to reply other people's message because just share my knowledge with other people. Okay, all my knowledge I teach here, you can always share with other people. Okay, just a lot of you don't use my face, you don't use my screenshot. You can just share with all the things because information should be free. But you pay, then you get what you pay for. Okay, you pay the money so you can put the dedication there. It's not just about value. It's really about you put the time there. Money is energy. You just put your money in the bank. They just put it in the bank because of the inflation. But when you let them to go around, I have a saying that spend your money so your money will find you more brother and sister and back to your wallet. This is what I do. Right? Put the bank in somewhere. You can do it, right? So Chiu is also here. You know, like Chiu is also my student. Okay, you know, Chiu was doing general store. After you join my coaching, I force him, hey, Chiu, please start a niche store because niche store is really can get you your passion, can find your passion. You feel happy when you work with your niche store, and you can find a lot of amazing product, right? Okay, so Dick is also showing me. Okay, so I know still 33 people here. So let me know if you have any question. If not, I'm gonna just stop, right? Because I'm gonna go for my dinner. Okay. So make sure that do give me two favor. So tomorrow, if you are already my Entrepreneurs Club member, we have the training tomorrow about the case study for my new store. Okay, if you are on my Entrepreneur store, Entrepreneur Club student, tomorrow I'm gonna show you the case study I did because I launched a store today. I think let me see on my phone. Where's my phone? So let me see on my sales. Okay, I think okay for that store. Yeah, for that store today's sales is already 669. 6 order with it. Okay, this is my second store, and then we have one store also doing 2K, and another store doing 1.19K. Okay, so tomorrow I'm gonna do a case study there. So if you're an Entrepreneur Club member, just go there to watch it, to do it. And then for the group coaching, if you want to join it, just send me a private message. Both of this, just send me a private message. I'm gonna review you guys one by one. Okay, I do not have a page. I just want to do it privately one by one. So I need to talk with you guys. Okay, so do me one favor. Go to my YouTube channel Friday night, 9 a.m. EST. I do training over there on spiritual study, YNC Academy. And if you want to look for e-commerce video, just search Yik Chen on YouTube. Okay, if you want to follow my Instagram, just type Yik Chen Ltd. You can take a screenshot. And then you want to go to see our website, just type YMC Academy. You can just go there, you can find free gifts for you guys. Okay, and do me one more favor is that for this group, please click all posts. Okay, so that you can get all notification. And then also follow me on Facebook, which is my Facebook profile. You can just find me, you click my name on it. Okay, I can add you as a friend, and you just follow me. Okay, so I want to help you guys to get successful this year. So whatever I try to do is just want to help you guys. Okay, the books, make sure to buy it. Wish that and E-Myth. Okay, and yeah, I think that's it. Okay, still 30 people here. Okay, so 77. Okay, give me some 777. Give me some thank you. Then I'm gonna turn off my live. Okay. How much to pay for group coaching, you remember? Okay, the group coaching, okay, let me tell you guys, okay, for the group coaching, it will be $597 per month. Okay, $597 per month. Okay, for the group coaching. There will be every week, I will do a live training for you guys. There will be group one, and then every month, I will talk with you guys, each of them one by one, so I can look into your ad account, I can look into your store for everything privately. Okay, and that means there will be 4 weekly training. Okay, 4 training in 1 month, 4 weekly training, and then 1 private session for all of you guys. Okay, each of them. So this is $597. But I may not open it if there's not enough people. Okay, I will open it only maybe 5, even 10 people together. I will do it. Otherwise, just 1 or 2 people. That's not enough demand for me. So I will not do it. That's why I'm just testing it. But I will increase the price later on. This is for the initial test because I really want to have a small bunch of people to get kick-started, and then first come, first serve. That's right. The first people who get in touch with me, there will be always stronger building, stronger connection. You always get the best support from me. Okay. Later on when I get really famous, okay. Later on when I get really famous, I may not even offer this kind of coaching. I will just enjoy my passive income. Okay. So in Entrepreneurs Club, I also talk about passive income, which is how you can manage your money to work hard for you, so you can just sit here and enjoy your money, just like us. You know, today we just go shopping. If you have seen my story, okay? We get a lot of coupon. Can you see we get a lot of coupon from cashback? We have like I think 1K cashback just from that, the coupon. You can see the coupon. I can use the coupon to buy all kinds of stuff using credit card. How you use money can generate way more money. Okay. Okay. So thank you for coming. Thank you, Stephanie, all of here. Some people's there, right? So make sure next week join my live again. If anyone can create a note also on the group for what I do today, maybe you have another chance for me to do the free consultation. All right. So for the two people that will win the consultation, just send me a private message. We can allocate time for you to tell you guys to do it. Okay. So see you guys later. And also you can always type testimonial in the chat box. I mean testimonial on the group, like what you learned on live, how where you were after you learn from us, what have you changed? These are really good things that we can share to the group, so the people they can go back to watch the video, they know what's happening, right? So this is kind of like a testimonial kind of support for us. Okay, just put it there. It will be really useful. Okay, so thanks for coming today. I really appreciate your time. I hope the number of people joining my group will be more and more and more. You can see 5 people still here. Okay, I'm so happy for you guys to hear. I love you guys just like how much I love myself. Okay, you need to love yourself first before you love everyone. Okay, make yourself strong so that you help more people. Like me, I do not love. want to help more people, but I know I cannot do it. That's why for the past 2 years, I'm being silent. I'm practicing my skills, and then now I have the skills. I have my automated team. I can do whatever I like. That's why I come here. I want to teach more people, to help more people to find their success. All right. So you want to get in touch with me, just send me a private message. All right. So see you guys next time. Have fun. Bye bye.